My good students, welcome. Public speaking. Now, as opposed to the other days, I've really taught you about the tips of public speaking. Now, today, I really want to have a U-turn and show you something that is important. Now, what is the importance of all that I'm teaching you? I can't just appear on your screen daily. I cannot be coming to your screen and tell you about something that will not help you in life. Now, I want to give you 3 important things that you should take to your banknote. You should take to your mindset, store them there, and they'll be very, very, very helpful. Now, let's go. The importance of public speaking. What is public speaking and what is the profound significance in our society today? 1, communication. You will never be a good speaker at any place if you don't know public speaking. Public speaking is not for speakers only. Public speaking is not for people who go to deliver speeches. Public speaking is not for people who are prominent. Let me tell you something. I have done my survey. 90% of students who do teaching course or who are in universities don't know how to communicate. The issue is not being learned. You can score good grades. You can get anything that you want in life in terms of academia. You can be a bright student in notes. You can be a bright student in grades. But now, delivering whatever that you have is a problem. We have voice students who could score good grades in mathematics, but once we go to them to show us what they know, they don't know how to tell us. We have good professional people who have proficient and magnificent knowledge in great things, but them delivering it is a hurdle. Now, the big deal is this. Number 1, public speaking gives you an immense knowledge in communication. And what is communication? It's a day-to-day conversation. It's what you do, it's what that I'm doing. Number 2, connection. As young people, we talk about connections. Did you know that connections are built? They are not found? Okay, what's the definition of a connection? We talk of connections. I want to be a connected person. I want to be someone, I know people. How will you know people and you are an introvert? You don't talk. You don't communicate. You are dull. We have dull people in life. You'll even be poor and miserable because you don't communicate. Talk out. Speak. Speak like a lion. Talk your voice. Air out. Speak with confidence. Move through those podiums. Talk with people. Shake hands with people confidently. That is what we call connection. If by today the president of any nation comes to you and says, "Hello, young man, how are you doing? Today I came to greet you. I want to have a talk with you and we dine together." Some of you will fret. Some of you will be, "I'm not ready for this." You are a serious, learned, learned what? Let me find the good words. You are a serious, learned, forward student. I think that's the right term to call you. When you have skills in public speaking, you know how to communicate. You can connect with people. Are we together? That connection that you are looking for. You are carrying a CV, but you don't know what you are carrying. You are going to an office. Young man, now, can you tell us your name? Amwafula. Young man, I will not employ you. No, I never will I employ you. You must talk. You must communicate. You must talk. And it's funny enough, most of you who are doing teaching course, you don't know how to talk. You are a teacher, but talking to students is a problem. Finally, wealth. This is now very, very key and very important of it all. This is very, very essential. We call it wealth because now wealth, in other words, this is very, very, let me put it from a point of you want wealth, you want to be an affluent man, but you don't know how to communicate. Wealth people talk, people with money talk, they communicate. Talk, communicate, talk to people. You can't go to count money and you are an introvert. You really can't. You want wealth, you must talk. People have used their mouths as assets. Use your mouth properly. So my good people, these are the 3 significance of what we call public speaking. Thank you so much. I really want to hope and wish that I've mentored you. Tomorrow, at a time like this, I will teach you more tips into understanding public speaking. Thank you so much. Goodbye.